Hey Jordan, I'm sending you this video because I can't seem to get this door to properly seal. Here's one that works well. And when I lift the handle up, seals great. I can bring it all the way up. However, when I go to this door over here, I can only get it up part of the way. And it will work if I am not lined up in the latch. It comes up properly, but it doesn't work when the door is engaged. I can only bring it up a little bit. The seal is incomplete, and I tried monkeying around as much as I can. Appreciate if you can give me some pointers on how to get this to work. Anyhow, hope you're having a good Christmas. Thank you.